We're at a building in Spring Street in Tauranga, and we've got an old hydraulic lift modernised by Schindler with FI MXB, 920 kgs or 11 persons. We are at level 2. That's the old 400 kg speed. I don't know what sort of lift this is. I'm thinking it might be express, but I don't actually know. Cab is quite nice though. We are back at ground. Gee, that's slow. Very slow. There it goes. So yeah, I don't actually know how to replace it, because if you look, the door locks have been replaced with triangle key. We'll hear that loud chime one more time, eh? There it goes. And that's it.